credit lies in the relationship. My partner got great credit. I don't have to worry about anything, right? Like you're saying that, and you've never taken the time out to evaluate your partner's credit to know if your partner got good credit or not, right? My partner will co-sign for any account because she or he is in love with me. Yo, that's crazy to think or expect someone else to be a co-signer on your things because you did not take the time out to learn how to repair, rebuild, restore your own credit. Like, why would you want to put someone in that predicament, right? And the third myth about credit, like the third credit lies in a relationship is, okay, if I don't pay it, my partner will pay it because that partner is a co-signer on the account, and because they don't want their credit to get hit, they will assume the responsibilities. Like, you can't assume these things. You can't assume people are going to take up your responsibility. So it is your job, right? It is your job in the relationship to make sure that everything about credit and finances are out in the open. If these problems are not addressed, if we don't address these issues, they become a thorn in your foot later on when you're trying to run. It's important that you know these things need to be addressed.